Johnny's Hamburgers, Tupelo, Mississippi. We are sitting in the Elvis Presley booth where you got a cheeseburger. And we're about to have a dough burger, which we think is the same as the Creole burger from Louisiana. But he also ate the dough burger with cheese, which is what we're going to have both of them. And we're going to have their famous onion rings. And Elvis drank RCs, which is what I drink, but they don't have RCs here. So anyway, that's it. Okay, I'll have it break it out whenever it gets ready. Hey, sir.
I'm gonna go get the outside.